Good afternoon folks, my name is Jacqueline from Pure Nutrition. Today I am going to demonstrate how to make your own homemade oat milk.
We'll need 1 small cup of organic oats, 4 small cups of water, 1 pinch of salt and a blender. To the blender you add your 1 small cup of oats, your pinch of salt and your 4 cups of water. You will then blend for 30 to 35 seconds only. With the oat milk now blended, we will need a jug, a sieve and a small piece of clean cotton to sieve the milk slowly into the jug. Using a spoon, gently stir the milk through the cotton. You are then left with a small amount of oaty pulp. You can discard this, or I sometimes add it to my oaty biscuit recipe. You're left with 500 ml of rich, creamy oat milk, high in fibre and protein, and made for a fraction of the price of shop-bought oat milk. We are now going to look at the different flavours we can add to the milk. Nut butter for extra protein and energy, cacao and vanilla essence, rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatories, and honey, a good wound healer and blood antioxidant, but take in moderation due to the sugar content. We are now going to add some oat milk to a blender. Add 1 teaspoon of nut butter, half a teaspoon of cacao powder, and 1 teaspoon of honey, and blend. We now have our mixture blended, giving us a smooth and creamy dairy-free milkshake, which is high in fibre and proteins. Delicious served hot or cold, a nutritious treat anytime, day or night. Pure Nutrition is available for online video and phone consultations during these challenging times. Appointments can be made via email, Facebook or phone. Thank you.